So children, in the previous part we have seen practice set 14.2 and now we will see miscellaneous exercise 2. One question is based from chapter 14 here, and that is question number 4 on page number 119. Children, again I am reminding you, in the second part I told you from practice set 14.2 question number we have finished fifth sum in the part 2, and from 6th onwards, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9 and 10, these 5 sums are cancelled from your syllabus. So take a note of it, make the cross mark with pencil in your textbook, and that 5 sums will not come in your exam. So please cut it over, make a cross mark with pencil in the textbook. Okay children, have you noted? And now let us start miscellaneous exercise 2. Only one question is there from chapter number 14, which is based on chapter 14. So let's start. Question 4. The cost of a machine is rupees 2,50,000. It depreciates at the rate of 4% per annum. Find the cost of machine after 3 years. See children, here what is given? Cost of a machine means P is given. So P is what? Cost price of machine, which is equal to rupees 2,50,000. And again it depreciates at the rate of 4% per annum. Depreciation means rate of depreciation R is given as 4 PCPA. And if depreciation means what? It decreases, the value decreases, so R will be negative over here. And N is what? Time period is what? 3 years, so N is equal to 3 years. Now here, as price of machine decreases, as price decreases, R will be taken as negative. Okay children, so here in the formula what we will write? R is negative. So first write down the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. And now while substituting the value of R, we will write down the negative value. Okay, if 4% per annum is given, so we will write minus 4. Now P is given as 2,50,000. Then 1 plus R. R means what? Minus 4 upon 100 to the power N. N is what? 3. So here do the cross multiplication and find the numerator and denominator of a given fraction. So here 1 into 100 is 100 minus 4. 100 minus 4 is what? 96 upon 100. So 2,50,000 is multiplied by 96 upon 100 cube. That will be 2,50,000 into 96 upon 100 into 96 upon 100. Now 0 zeros get cancels, here 4 zeros get cancelled, then 25 is left. 25 into 96 into 96, what we will have? Rupees 2,21,184. So this is your amount. Now amount we have calculated, that is the cost of a machine after 3 years. So children, so we will write down the final value, that is the final answer. Cost of machine after 3 years is equal to rupees 2,21,184. With this question we have finished chapter 14, isn't it? And I told you from practice set 14.2 we have cancelled 5 sums. Which sums? 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So cross it again with pencil. That 5 sums will not come in exam, only the upper one up to first question to fifth question. Okay, and now this chapter is over. Here also I am telling the class test which will be based on chapter 14, that I will conduct it after the syllabus, as I told you in chapter 13 also. So chapter 13, chapter 14, hereafter the class test will be conducted after the syllabus gets over. Okay children, thank you.